how to say
Fruit salad.
This is a fruit salad. This is my sister from Dallas, Texas, and she gonna drain the fruit cocktails.
I'm gonna drain them. So what you can do, if you want it fresh, you can buy it fresh. Like
I know you ain't gonna put that on YouTube.
Oh.
thank you. Turn it on. Turn it on.
We're gonna put this on YouTube. Yes, that's my other sister Pauline. Let's look at her. There she is. Okay, and this is my niece in the back. Hey, say hey, y'all.
Down there.
And that's a little man down there. Hey, that little man.
Cowboy thing.
Okay, come on now.
Okay, you pour.
Speak up so they can hear you.
You pour the juice
The
on.
series.
Okay, hurry up. We got
1.1 ounces.
14, 16 minutes.
Then you have, okay, you can start with your bananas if you want to. You can do whatever way you want to do it.
Okay,
You
this
can even put the marshmallow in.
okay, we just gonna hurry up to do this.
So if you want to do this for Christmas, you can get some food coloring. You can put half.
Oh, there we go.
You can put half of coconut.
That's sweet coconut, right?
Yes, you can get the cheap kind and you can get the expensive kind.
We'll get the bakers. All right.
We'll get half of that in there.
That's my little nephew over there. Hey, hey.
And we're going to have some pecans.
Hey, and
We'll
the
put
pecans in
pecan
there.
in
Oh,
there.
Lord, there's pecans. Can it be roasted or just regular?
No, you can just go on and just do like the regular, just over bag.
Okay.
Then you wanna put, you don't have to put no bananas if you don't want to, because what's gonna happen is if you eat it the next day, you don't like bananas? Oh, well.
Well, we just omit the bananas. We could put some in and some out.
I'm gonna make them big in case people wanna
That's a smart way.
take them out.
That's a smart way.
I'm gonna make them, you know.
How many bananas?
You can do I'm gonna do 3.
3 bananas, okay. And where you from, baby?
Me?
Yes, we're looking at the camera.
I'm from Dallas, Texas.
But only during
That's who's recording you.
like a regular day.
Like your sister was recording you from where?
Oh, she's from Mississippi.
Okay, this is Sandra.
Jackson, what is it, Brandon?
Brandon, Mississippi. Okay, she putting 3 bananas, but she put them in hunks so you can take the bananas out of them.
If you don't like
I haven't had this in a long time. I can't wait to get this into my mouth. Cool Whip next. Whoa. You use Cool Whip, don't use a cheap kind, right?
Oh, you can use either.
But the cheap kind don't taste as good as a Cool Whip. Do you agree?
I agree. Please get the right kind.
Okay, all right, all right. All right. I'm going to show you our other desserts while she's looking for some utensils. This is a homemade pecan pie. This is a homemade sweet potato pie. This is homemade vanilla, well, I guess you call that a whipped cream cake. This is a hummingbird cake. It's a chocolate, vanilla chocolate. And this is what you call Mississippi mud pie. Oh, look at that mud pie. Look at that little mud pie. Okay, now she's stirring up. What's she supposed to do? Okay.
I'm not in this stuff.
Okay, what's next?
I don't even know where a big spoon. This is not my kitchen.
Okay, we know this is not your kitchen. So you need 2 Cool Whips.
Well, we're gonna put one in.
Okay. Who fits and play before it's time to eat? Okay, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, this is part 2 of the fruit cocktail salad, the fruit salad. Okay, go ahead, Tracy.
So
One more
you
minute.
can do pineapples. You can do whatever fish.
Oh, that's beautiful. That's so beautiful. But you can add a little sugar in if you want a little sweet, right? Okay, okay.
Because you got the coconut and it's sweet.
Yeah, but you know, a little sugar always makes something sweet. But anyway, it's fine. That looks so delicious, so delicious, so delicious. And that's it. Okay, we want to thank you for sharing your famous mother fruit
So if you want to store it and save these and put it in here.
Okay, well, we're gonna go and let you see more sellers of food. This is a dressing. And we got the rest of it